Alright, on this video I am going to show how to add the part of the program for the bar feeder and the last tool for cutting the part we created on video number 2. So I am going first of all to open the program. This is a program we created, and as you can see, the extension is bin. So we need to translate it to the matrix language. Alright, so we're gonna exit here and we're gonna say communications, convert to fusion disk. So it's already selected. I'm just gonna say open and then save, and it's giving me a message saying 25 lines converted, matrix T. Okay, so I'm gonna open the editor again, and there it is. This is my program. And this is the program, the program you're gonna send to the machine using the USB drive. If you try to send the other one, it won't work. It's gonna give you an alarm. This is the right extension for the matrix layer. Alright, so here we're gonna minimize. We don't wanna minimize it. We're just gonna change the size here of the window, and then I'm going to open another editor, and I'm gonna go to this directory. I'm gonna open another program that is already proven. Okay, this is a program we have created, and this is the old program. The program I gonna use to get the part of the program for the bar feeder and for cutting the part using a cutoff tool. So I'm going to say copy whole process unit, and I'm going to the other window, and then I'm gonna say paste, and there it is. Alright, and this is the this is a manual process unit, and is the same tool we're gonna be using for cutting the part. That's why it's starting with a groove tool or grooving tool. So as you can see, we already know that we need to fix here the priority number here. Instead of 7 is 1. That way it's 1, 2, 4, 2, 4. Right? And we're gonna check really quick the program layout. There it is. 1, 2, 2, 4, 4. Okay, so we're gonna close this. Now I'm going to the other program, and I am going to copy the last process, which is another manual programming process, grooving. Right, this is for cutting the part. Okay, so I'm gonna say the same thing, copy the whole process unit, and I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna say paste. There it is. And here instead of 22, we can leave it as the way it is at 22, but you know, we are pros, or we want to be pro, so we're gonna say 6. 1, 2, 4, 2, 4, 6. This is the priority number. And we said that the part is 2 inches in length. And 2 inches in length, and we're gonna leave maybe 5 thousandths for the back in case we want to clean, right? So we're gonna say 2 inches 130. Oh, it's minus 2 inches 130, minus 2 inches 130, minus 2 inches 130, minus 2 inches 130. All right. Or we can leave it to size 2 inches. In that case, then we say minus 2 inches 125. Why 125? Because that's the thickness of the cutting tool. Minus 2 inches 125, minus 2 inches 125, minus 2 inches 125. Okay, the material we're using, the stock, is 2 inches and a quarter. So here we need to fix this 2 inches and 300. This is fine. And here we just need to go 40 thousandths, no 0 there. Alright, so this grooving tool or cutting off tool is gonna come first at this position, a geo, which is rapid move, and then it's gonna come close to the part, closer to the part. This is the second move, and then on the third move is gonna go G1, alright, which is linear interpolation, and he's gonna start cutting the part at 3 thousandths per revolution, and the RPM is 500, right? Okay, so it's gonna start cutting, and then it's gonna continue cutting at the same feed rate, and it's gonna go all the way to 40 thousandths, and this is where the part falls off. Alright, and then you can see here M49 for the part catcher, and then on position number 5, the part or the grooving tool moves to this position, away from the tool, or from the spindle, I'm sorry. And then the last position moves on X 12 inches, Z 4 inches. Right, so now we're gonna say save. And this time I have the tool data on my USB drive. So this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna close this. I am going to close this, and there it goes. And we're gonna say tool file, load tool file, and we're gonna say OK. And I'm gonna come to my USB drive here. I'm gonna find Jess, which is my directory, and this is the tool data from Matrix. I loaded it today, so I can use it. So once you load it, you can see the tool path on Geopath. You say OK. Alright, and that's how it's gonna look. This move here is a move for the tool that is cutting the part off, you know. So we know exactly what is going on. It's facing, and then it's roughing. And it's finishing, right? It's finishing the face and finishing the OD, and then the cutting tool. I'm gonna show the cutting tool again. Show path, select tool, last tool. There it goes. You can see it right here. It's going all the way. and that's it. So we zoom in and we say view, we say layer set, and we're gonna turn off the layer for the toolpath. And that's the part, right? Obviously it's showing only half of it. Okay, we're gonna close it, save changes, no, and that's how it looks. One process, two process, three process, four process, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the end of the program, right? And here we can modify it on the machine, you know, to have continuous or not continuous, you know, if we want to run only one part at a time. And that's it. And remember, this here is a priority number. It's very important, and we're gonna see it for one last time here. Program layout, and there it is. Manual program. This is for the bar feeder, the part of the program that is pushing the material forward, and then facing rough, and then turning rough, and then facing finish, and then turning finish, and the manual program for the cutting tool. And you can see the first process and this last process is the same tool. You can see, and that's it. We're gonna close it. We already saved it. We're gonna save again, close, and that's it.